Okay, today we have one of our solar array systems that's connected to our HVAC system. We have two 280 watt panels that are tied into the system. This is our solar disconnect, and I'll show you what they look like on the back. These use the N-phase automatic inverters. So these are being converted from 12 volts to, in this particular case, 240 watts or 240 volts. And these are the top of the line units that are grid tied to this house. So the lines are then tied into the HVAC circuits. We have our Coleman echelon system here. This is our 18 SEER Coleman, and they are tied into the main circuits, making them solar powered. This customer is seeing about a 40% reduction in their energy costs just with the 2-panel system. Most of our 4-panel systems will see a 50 to 65% reduction, and our 10-panel systems, or 2.6 kilowatt systems, they're seeing an 80 to 90% reduction in their utility costs. So just showing you what they look like and how they work. Always like and subscribe, and have a great day.